My name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this video and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. In the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me which shows you how to keep and maintain a company-ready home at all times. And I also recently published my planner, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. It comes in a dated and undated version. To get information about the planner and the course, it will be listed in the description box below. So on this video, I would like to share with you 5 unique things you can do with a closet under the stairs. So yes, I am all about repurposing your home and doing things in your home that you want. Like, your home is yours, and just because a room is labeled or identified as one thing does not mean it has to stay that thing. Case in point, the closet under the stairs. So in my home, we converted the closet under the stairs into a haven for our pet. Yes, my 17-year-old puppy Simon has his own room. It is great size for him. We removed the door, added a baby gate, removed the carpet, and put, I forgot what type of flooring we put down because we did this a few years ago, but we have like a water resistant, waterproof floor for him. And it's wonderful, it's open, it's just a great space for him. So instead of him being in a kennel when he's in the home, he can actually go into his room. And he knows his room. He doesn't like to go in there sometimes. He wants to just run around the house, but he is an elderly dog, so we have to put him in his space when it's time for him to have his own space. But it works perfectly. So in addition to being a pet haven, you can also turn the closet under the stairs into a home office. Now, when I say home office, it doesn't necessarily have to be an office for you to work from home like your 9-to-5 job. Maybe it can just be a homework center or a place where you can just have a computer to do bills or even just print documents if you need be. So having that separate space, it's small enough, but you can actually do a lot with it without having to convert a whole entire bedroom or your dining room into a home office. So that is an excellent option. Another option is a play area for the kids. So I have daughters, I have small daughters, and if we did not have Simon, which one day it's gonna happen, but until then, or when that happens, we could turn that space into just a play area for them. We can put bean bags in there, their dolls, toys, fun stuff, and they can actually use that space instead of having to take over the living room. So a play area for your children is an excellent choice. Another thing you can do is turn it into a mini bar, or you can put your drinks there, you can put wine. I've seen some very beautiful wine bar options, or even just the way people hang their wine bottles on the wall in there. So you can have it a wine bar, you can have just a mini bar, whatever you want, but that is a good option. Another option is make it a reading nook. So if you just want a nice little quiet spot you can go and read in, or even like a prayer room. I don't know the rules concerning a prayer room, but you can make it a reading nook and or a prayer room. So it's nice, it's quiet, it's small, and it can definitely fit that need. Well, I hope these suggestions are something that you can take in consideration. If you have a stairwell or a closet under the stairs and you don't know what to do with it, if you're not using it for, a coat closet or anything, consider converting it to one of these items. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And also, don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, and have a divine day. Goodbye.